9 pounds of potatoes. F my life.
Got 6 pounds of mashed potatoes and 3 pounds of potato salad. Had to get the potato salad because the store was all out. This is the collab with M3G Eating. They got 2 guys taking me on in a 9-pound potato eating match. Haven't eaten this much mashed potatoes since Christmas, so I'm going to enjoy this. Gonna get a stopwatch on here just so I can see how long it takes me to get this. And I'm gonna go. It's got a garlic and rosemary flavor. It's pretty damn good. Gotta drink something. Gotta get a break from the mash. Get 3 pounds of mashed potatoes. 3 pounds of potato salad. I think my mom used to get this brand a few years back. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Potatoes are pretty heavy. Almost done with the salad. Still 3 pounds of mash to go. Be mashing my guts tonight. Eating it slowly was a bad idea. Let's go big. Last pound and a half. Tastes like asphalt. Super dehydrated. Couple bites to go. There it is. 6 pounds mashed, 3 pounds potato salad. Okay, looking at my time, I finished in 12:40. I probably could have done a little bit better. Alright everybody, check out M3G Eating. New guys with a lot of cool eating vids. Alright, stay in school, don't do drugs, and as always, eat like a freak.